Hello, English learners around the world. Welcome back to English on the Go, the podcast where we help you speak real English in real situations.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Oliver. And today, we're going shopping.
Yes, we're taking you to the shopping mall. We'll learn how to ask for sizes, try on clothes, talk to shop assistants, and more.
It's going to be fun. But first, Olivia, what happened this morning? You looked a little stressed when you arrived.
Oh, okay, so I wanted to wear my favorite jeans today.
Yeah?
But when I put them on, I realized I left my phone in the back pocket last night, and then I washed them.
Oh no, you washed your phone.
Yes, it went for a swim in the washing machine.
That's one way to clean your contacts.
Not funny. My phone is totally dead now. I had to borrow my neighbor's phone just to get here on time.
Well, maybe today's episode will inspire you to go buy a new phone at the mall.
Maybe I will. All right, let's talk about today's topic, how to speak English at the shopping mall.
We'll listen to a short conversation between a customer and a shop assistant. Then we'll explain all the words and phrases.
It's a great way to learn simple English and feel confident when shopping.
All right, now we're going to listen to a real shopping conversation.
Yep, a customer is in a clothes shop looking for a new jacket. They'll ask about the size, try it on, and ask questions about the price.
You'll hear simple words like fitting room, price tag, and even how to ask, "Can I get a refund?"
Listen closely, and don't worry if you don't understand every word. We'll explain everything after the dialogue.
Let's go shopping.
Dialogue, immersion. Hi there, can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What size do you need?
Maybe a medium? I'm not sure.
No problem. You can try it on in the fitting room, right over there.
Thanks.
How's the fit?
It's a little too small, I think. Do you have a large?
Yes, let me grab one for you.
Ah, this one fits better. How much is it?
Let me check the price tag. It's $59. But it's on sale today, you have 20% off.
Nice, I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Cash or card, both are fine. Here's your receipt. Keep it just in case.
Thank you. And if I need to return it, can I get a refund?
No problem. You have 14 days for a refund or exchange.
Great, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, that was a nice little shopping trip.
Yes, and honestly, that's exactly how shopping sounds in real life. Simple questions, clear answers.
If you didn't catch everything the first time, don't worry. Now we're going to break down the words and phrases for you.
We'll explain each one in easy English so you can really understand and use them.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's start with something very common, try on.
Yeah, when you try on clothes, it means you put them on to see if they fit or if you like them.
For example, can I try on this shirt? You're not buying yet, you're just testing it.
Next, we have size. Everyone needs to know this one.
Yep. Size means how big or small something is, like small, medium, large.
So, if someone says, "What size are you?" they're asking what fits your body.
All right. Once you know your size and you want to try something, you go to the fitting room.
That's the little room where you can change your clothes in private. Some places also call it a changing room.
So, you might hear, the fitting room is over there.
Let's talk about two opposite phrases, too big and too small.
Too big means the clothing is too large for you, and the opposite is too small, when the clothing is too tight. If something doesn't fit well, you can say, this is too big or too small. Super useful.
Like in the dialogue, this jacket is too big. Do you have a small?
Now one of my favorite phrases during shopping. On sale. Who doesn't love a sale?
Yes, if something is on sale, it means the price is lower. There's a discount.
So, if a shirt is usually $50, but it's on sale for $35, that's a nice deal.
Let's move on to price tag.
That's the little paper or sticker that shows the price of the item.
You might ask, "Can you check the price tag?" Well, there's no tag on this. How much is it?
Now, how do you pay? You can pay with cash or card.
Cash is paper money or coins. Card means a bank card, a credit or debit card.
In many places now, people use cards more than cash, but it's good to know both words.
All right, next word, receipt.
This is the little paper you get after you pay. It shows what you bought and how much you paid.
It's important to keep the receipt in case you need to return something.
Speaking of returns, let's talk about refund.
If you don't like the item or it doesn't fit, you can return it and get your money back. That's called a refund.
You can say, "Can I get a refund?" Or "Do you accept returns?"
And that's it. 10 super useful shopping words you can use right away.
Now that you know what everything means, let's go back and listen to the dialogue one more time.
This time, it'll sound much clearer and you'll understand more.
Ready? Let's play it again.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What size do you need?
Maybe a medium? I'm not sure.
No problem. You can try it on in the fitting room, right over there.
Thanks.
How's the fit?
It's a little too small, I think. Do you have a large?
Yes. Let me grab one for you.
Ah, this one fits better. How much is it?
Let me check the price tag. It's $59. But it's on sale today. You have 20% off.
Nice, I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Cash or card, both are fine. Here's your receipt. Keep it just in case.
Thank you. And if I need to return it, can I get a refund?
No problem. You have 14 days for a refund or exchange.
Great, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, now it's your turn to speak.
This is our shadowing part. We'll say each sentence from the dialogue slowly, and then we'll leave a short pause.
You can repeat after us. Try to copy the words, the rhythm, even the intonation.
You don't need to be perfect. Just say it out loud and have fun with it.
All right, ready? Let's get started.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What size do you need?
Maybe a medium? I'm not sure.
You can try it on in the fitting room.
Thanks.
How's the fit?
It's a little too small. Do you have a large?
Let me grab one for you.
This one fits better. How much is it?
Let me check the price tag. It's on sale today.
Nice. I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Cash or card, both are fine. Keep it just in case.
And if I need to return it?
You have 14 days for a refund or exchange.
Great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Well done. You did it.
That's how you practice speaking. The more you shadow, the more natural it will feel.
If you want, you can go back and repeat this part again. That's how you get better, one step at a time.
And that's the end of today's shopping trip. We hope you enjoyed it and learned some helpful English.
You now know how to ask for sizes, try things on, talk to the assistant, and even ask for a refund.
And to help you even more, we've made a free PDF for this episode. It includes the full dialogue, all the vocabulary, and some tips.
You'll find the PDF link right below in the description. Download it, study with it, and practice whenever you want.
Also, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
We really appreciate your support. It helps us keep making these fun lessons for you.
And next time, we're heading to the pharmacy.
Yes. We'll show you how to ask for medicine, explain your symptoms, and understand what the pharmacist says, all in simple, clear English.
So, if you've ever felt sick and didn't know what to say, don't miss it.
Thanks again for learning with us.
Happy learning, and see you next time on
English
on the Go.
Go. Your study doesn't stop here. You can continue to progress by clicking on the next video or my suggested video selected for you.